jewelry out of wood. Here's an example. This is a stack of a total of 5 triangles. Okay, so every group has somebody else's jewelry that they built, and if not, make sure you just swap around and have somebody else's jewelry. When you're done, your jewelry goes back to the person who made it or to the group who made it, and then they're going to hang it up on the jewelry display board right here. Okay? Everybody understand that? So when you're all done, it needs to get turned into an earring and then hung up on the jewelry display board right here. What you're doing with somebody else's jewelry is you're drawing a scale drawing on your piece of paper. So you got to reverse engineer it. So these things are really small. Just look up here, please. These things are really small, so you're going to have to use the caliper and measure them to the thousandths of an inch. And then you're going to have to use the law of sines and the law of cosines, area of a triangle, and figure out the total volume of this piece of wood. In this case, you're going to break it down into 5 separate triangles, measuring them with the calipers, drawing them to scale, finding the total area, multiplying by the thickness to get the volume. Then you're going to weigh in on that scale to get the weight, and then that's going to give you a density, right? You have volume and weight, that'll give you a density. And then you want your density, you're going to have to do a lot of unit conversion and dimensional analysis, because you're going to have grams for the weight and probably cubic inches for the volume. But the densities we have here are in pounds per cubic foot. So you got to convert grams to pounds, and then cubic inches to cubic feet. So your group is only turning in one piece of paper with a piece of jewelry. You need to write whose jewelry you're working on so I could figure it out. But I'm also going to look at your drawing to see what it looks like. Charlie? But that hole is really tough. That hole's an ellipse. So you got to do the best you can to figure out the size of that ellipse and subtract it from the triangle. Here's another one. Even though the volume on this, the volume on this, you're going to find the large triangle, and then you're going to find the area of the smaller triangles, and then subtract to get the overall volume.
Right. So, here, measure the height.
Yeah, no, measure the width from here to here.
Okay. So, so I'd use this.
No, between these two.
Oh, okay. I see. Sorry.
Okay.
So do we need to still do the ellipse?
Yes, we do. We need a calculator.
Calculate this ellipse?
We need to find the volume.
Okay, so if it's...
Hold on, I need this paper.
So
Oh, really?